Hello, fellow traders. I posted on the private Substack an alert for uranium. It was I posted it right here. Actually, we did good yesterday. 5% in our 5% yesterday. We kind of touched the 802 reversal, and today it's an hour turning point. The stochastics are pretty low on this, so as you can see it on here, that means today we're looking at breaking this 802, even 855, and actually 854 and 847. 847 is a daily, 853 is the weekly. If we do break those two, we're looking at almost $9 move. I mean, a move until 9, but we'll see. We'll see today and what's happening, right? Because there was a reaction here, and I'm estimating this is gonna, keep bouncing up, especially since on the monthly we're implying we returning. We touch here the reversal. So it'll be a nice trade, but today we'll see if it's a confirmation of that. Again, um, today is a direction change and a turning point. If by the end of the day we're not closing any of these up, I'll close the position. If you want to, learn more about it, I'm actually doing a webinar tomorrow with some of our folks. It's gonna be recorded 40 minutes, but it's not free. So subscribe for it in my YouTube. Good luck and have a nice week.